31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Laine Pugh with 31 Triple Doppler.
You learned some stuff, and
I did.
What, from a meteorologist perspective, what did you find different and interesting?
I learned from a paleontologist. There was so many cool things that you could just go out and learn about. Learn from NASA. Got to pet a tortoise. Got to climb in a cave. It was pretty cool. I had a great time.
Well, we got to mark it on the calendar then for next year.
Definitely go. Didn't bring the kiddos. It's definitely a fun place to do it. And we had good weather today, but tomorrow, not looking so hot. Let's take a look at it. Our next weather maker moves in tomorrow. It's going to bring in some much needed rain, but also could bring in a few embedded thunderstorms. Though we're not going to see any severe weather with this system, we could see some heavier rainfall as well as some gusty winds at times. So if you have any Halloween decorations that are outdoors, you may want to go ahead and make sure those are anchored down and be mindful of it over the next couple of days as well. Here's what tomorrow looks like on future radar. We'll start this at 9 a.m. Most of us just dealing with some cloud coverage, although the shoals could start to see some isolated showers. Going throughout the rest of the afternoon into lunchtime or morning into lunchtime as well, we'll still see the isolated showers over towards the shoal, specifically if you're to the west of I-65. It won't be until later in the afternoon these lines of storms will start to cross over the I-65 corridor, and it will be the Sand Mountain's turn to finally get that rainfall during the overnight hours on Monday. Again, heavy rainfall expected with this system. As we inch closer to Monday morning, as we're waking up for school and work, still dealing with a few rogue showers, although most of us just dealing with some ice or dealing with that cloud coverage. Heading into late morning, still dealing with some isolated showers, but as we head further into the afternoon, we do start to trend drier. As we head into Monday night, we'll be completely dry with that heavy cloud coverage. Now heading into next week, at least the start of next week, we'll have to deal with an unsettled weather pattern. We're going to deal with these rain chances going into Monday, a little bit lighter rain chances on Tuesday. Those are going to be mostly during the overnight hours. Heading into Wednesday, that's when our next weather maker will arrive, bringing us another round of some much needed rain as well as cooler temperatures. I know you saw that 57 on Wednesday. We're going to stay in the upper 50s going into Thursday and Friday, so a cool Halloween, especially those overnight lows will be dipping into the low 40s. Heading into the weekend though, we start to warm up back into the mid 60s, staying there for the start of the work week next week. Again, we're going to be seeing lots of rain with this next few systems, which is needed because we are seeing drought-like conditions across the Tennessee Valley. Over 3.5 inches of rain for Scottsboro and Athens, over 2 inches of rain in Huntsville, as well as Muscle Shoals and Decatur. So much needed rain we're about to get, which is really exciting news. Let's take a look at the tropics. Hurricane Melissa spinning at 115 miles an hour, moving west at 3 miles an hour. So this is basically stationary. It's not moving much, which is bad news as it starts to approach Jamaica. This is going to go through rapid intensification, intensifying into a Category 5 hurricane by Monday night, and as it reaches Jamaica, expected to be a Category 5 or a high-end Category 4, which is going to bring heavy rainfall. It's going to bring them some landslide, some catastrophic flooding, as well as some really dangerous surf, so not good news for them or Cuba and Haiti as well. It's still going to be a major hurricane. Good news is, though, for us, it's going to take that eastward turn, not going to make landfall in the United States, still going to be a Category 1 hurricane as we go into the later part of the work week next week. Overnight lows tonight will be a little bit warmer than what we have been seeing. It's ranging from the low 50s all the way to the upper 50s in Huntsville. Waking up in the morning, grab the rain jacket, grab the umbrella, and maybe grab a light jacket. We'll be in those upper 50s. As we approach 10 a.m., only warming to the upper 50s, low 60s for high temperatures thanks to the rainfall and the cloud coverage. We'll deal with these cooler temperatures as we go throughout the rest of the work week. I'm talking upper 50s for Halloween, and overnight lows, those are going to be in the low 40s. Some of us could even be seeing the upper 30s, so it's about time that we start to look forward to our next or our first frost, which is crazy because it seems like not long ago we were still dealing with the 80s. So
I know.
crazy.
Big change. I know. It's coming fast.
It's
so
coming
is the rain.
fast. Sure
All right,
is.
to find the odds despite